Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1965 Pontiac Tempest. While many go for its big brother, the LeMans or the GTO, this Tempest has a lot of features that are very unique and attractive. Mainly, you can get a car that looks like its big brother, the GTO, at a fraction of the cost, but under the hood of this Tempest you will find a nice 455 HO V8, done very well. Looks great. The paint is in good condition. I would call the car a solid driver. Runs great, stops well. Very nice vehicle. But the paint is in good condition. Before we get too much further into this 65 Tempest, I'll tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located on 301, just north of University, on the corner of Televast and 301. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. As you can see, some here. Not going to go through the entire inventory, but if you have interest in a car you see here or in this 65 Tempest, please visit the website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. You'll see additional pictures of this Tempest there, as well as all other cars that we have in inventory. You can also give us a call at 941-355-1955. If you're not in Florida, do not worry. We ship all over the world. So if you have shipping needs, we can certainly handle your shipping needs. If you would like to finance a car or need to finance, we can also help you with financing. Visit the website. We do have a finance tab on the website. See the Krager wheels and the BF Goodrich tires on this 65 Tempest. Just a nice little car here. See the dual exhaust. As I did mention earlier, the paint's in good condition. You will see a couple small chips here. And then there's a little scrape on the fender right here. You see. Again, nice vehicle. Cloth seats, blue interior. Does have sniper EFI. We will go ahead and get it started up for you. Show you that it is a cold start. Alright, we'll go ahead and fire this up so you can hear this 65 Tempest. Does have water and oil gauges down there as well. Nice little touch. Fuel injection kick in here. And go ahead and get it started up. Your vehicle starts right up. As I mentioned, vehicle runs very well, drives well. The paint is in good condition. Dual exhaust sounds excellent. Got the little rumble that you hear back in the 60s that made the 60s and very early 70s muscle car favorites. Power steering. Just a nice little driver here. Again, this Tempest, white, blue interior. Go ahead and rev it up a little bit so I can hear it. See that 455. Again, as I mentioned, EFI. Shut it off. Very nice driver, again, to take the shows, just go out for a cruise. Has the GTO look and horsepower, obviously, with the 455 under the hood. Very nice vehicle here. If you are interested, give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at Classic Cars of Sarasota. And I thank you for joining.